Life is busy. Every day we find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of activities and responsibilities. We juggle work, family, friends, and personal goals. Balancing these aspects can be challenging, and often we feel like there aren't enough hours in the day. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. The constant pressure can lead to stress and anxiety, making it hard to focus on what truly matters. Disorganization can lead to stress and missed opportunities. Imagine a cluttered room. It's chaotic and distracting. It's hard to find anything, and it's stressful just being in there. The mess consumes your energy and time. Now imagine a clean, organized space. Everything is in its place, and you know exactly where to find what you need. You feel calmer and more in control. The environment supports your well-being and productivity. That's the power of organization. It transforms chaos into clarity and stress into serenity. This isn't just about physical spaces, it's about mental clarity too. An organized mind is free to focus on creativity and problem solving. An organized life is a more focused and productive. And to-dos swirling around. It's like a whirlwind of mental activity that never seems to stop. The first step to organization is getting it all out of your head. By externalizing your thoughts, you create a tangible representation of your mental landscape. Think of it like fireworks. When you externalize, you release the energy trapped in your mind. A firework is beautiful because it explodes outward, releasing its energy in a burst of light and color. Externalization is similar. It allows your thoughts to burst forth, creating a spectacle of clarity and insight. Write down every single thought, worry, or task on paper, a whiteboard, or digitally. Don't censor yourself. Let your mind flow freely and capture everything. Let it all flow out. Just like a river finds its path, your thoughts will find their way onto the page. This process creates space for clarity. With your thoughts externalized, your mind becomes as clear as a blue sky. You can now see everything objectively. This newfound perspective allows you to prioritize, organize, and take action with a clear mind. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some are just distractions. The Eisenhower matrix is a powerful tool for prioritizing. Draw a simple 2x2 grid, label the axes urgent and important. This creates 4 quadrants. Urgent and important. Do these tasks first. Important, not urgent. Schedule time for these. Urgent, not important. Delegate if possible. Not urgent, not important. Eliminate these. This matrix helps you focus on what truly matters. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you prioritize effectively. Now that you have a prioritized list, it's time to take the next step. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay focused and motivated. It's time to visualize your plan. Picture yourself achieving your goals and imagine the steps you'll take to get there. Create a visual representation of your goals and how you'll achieve them. This could be a vision board, a timeline, or a simple checklist. Use colors, images, and words to make it inspiring. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more real it will feel. When you can see your goals clearly, you're more likely to achieve them. Visualization helps bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Remember, organization is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but every small step brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate your progress along the way. Each milestone is a victory, no matter how small. By externalizing, prioritizing, and visualizing, you can unlock your full potential and thrive in all areas of your life. The rewards are well worth the effort. You'll find yourself more organized, more focused, and more motivated to achieve your dreams. So take a moment to visualize your success. See it, believe it, and make it happen. With a clear vision and a determined heart, you can conquer any goal you set your mind to.